Hey everyone, so this is the first of a new video series. I'll share with you a useful art tip in just 1 minute. Let's not waste any more time. So in less than 10 seconds, a quick thank you to everyone who supported my books, Penning, Drawing a Simple Guide, and the complimentary workbook. Thank you. Now, all muscles have anchor and insertion points. When they contract, they enable us to push or pull or bend or straighten or twist, even to make us stand still. This is important because it helps us to understand how the body works, get our proportions right, and makes it easier to draw the human figure from imagination. To practice, you can draw the form of the muscles over a mannequin or a skeleton sketch. Just try to visualize where they originate and follow their form to where they insert themselves. Once you take some time to learn where the major muscles attach themselves and how they overlap, you'll see that it makes drawing the human figure so much easier. And the cool thing is, regardless of the body's position, muscle start and end points pretty much stay the same. It'll feel like you're really just connecting dots as you weave the forms together. This also helps to ensure the figure is properly proportioned, and all you need to do is remember where the muscles start and where they end. Okay everyone, I hope you found this useful and something you can apply to your drawings right away. Remember to give the video a thumbs up, guys. It really makes a difference. Thanks so much, and thanks for watching. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.